Number 1, Vowel, Vibrancy. 1 is always the symbol of leadership, and therefore, no matter what your other characteristics reflect, you will continually need to give vent to this urge of personally lending or directing every facet of your life. You may not know this is so, but since this vibrancy is inherent in your name, it is the path for you to follow, and you will eventually find that this is the only way in which you can be happy. This may necessitate many changes in all aspects of your life, perhaps your business, personal relationships, location, and manner of dress or speech. Make them without concern, and you are bound to be pleased. You may be unaware of your powers of leadership and may not have used them, but you would surely have then been aware of restlessness or impatience with the methods of those around you, thinking, perhaps subconsciously, that you would do things differently. This, of course, is your soul urge, and until you free it from its repressive bonds, you will continue to feel the restlessness. Leading does not always mean that you must be the top executive in your firm, or even the president of a group, because there are other people to contend with who may not be willing to step down. But it always means that your thoughts and expressions will be of noteworthy value. These thoughts can be channeled properly into the areas of your interest to attain anything you wish. The constancy of valid thoughts and ideas will eventually lead to the position of leadership to which you are entitled, whether it be in business, social affairs, or marriage. When you function completely on your own, you are very strong-willed, courageous, and full of determined ambition. With these powers, nothing can deter you. No one can stand in your way or change your mind, and no effort is too much. Understandably, these same traits prevent you from functioning at your best when you have to work with or under someone else. There would be constant friction as you strain to assert yourself, knowing that it is not your place. On the occasions when this happens, you are judged dictatorial and domineering, and relationships suffer. So it is best to steer yourself along unhindered and uncluttered paths to express your ideas and concepts in the best way you know how. It's senseless to get involved with people or any business that places you in a secondary position, for it will be difficult for you to suppress the strong urge and capacity to lead the way. You just will not feel good in your skin if you have to take orders or no-toe to anyone.